Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about that how a 14-year boy has committed the suicide after bonding with the AI chatbot, and his mother has sued the company. So we'll be seeing all the matter in a very quick way, and then we'll judge that who is going to be the culprit here, and like what to do in this case, and yeah, what is the main problem behind it. So let's see. So, and should AI to be blamed for this teenager suicide? So we'll be seeing all these things. So one thing that is that need to keep in mind is that the it was a 14-year old boy. So it was a minor boy actually, and then like it was from the Florida. So let's see what was the case. So like it was a tragic death of the civil Sadger 3, and there was a role of the AI chatbot like the platform is Character.AI. Okay, and why it is important? Why this case is important? The case is important because it is actually uh, questioning on the what is going to be the AI impact on the human psychology, and especially on the minors. Like minors don't have that type of maturity which adults have, that type of emotional maturity. So how AI is going to affect that, and how we can have that safeguards or safety regulations about that. So we'll be seeing. So who is the civil Sajjar? So he was actually diagnosed with anxiety, mood dysregulation, and Asperger's syndrome. Okay, and he began actually talking with the Character.AI in 2023. So what was the Character.AI? Character.AI was a platform actually who give you freedom to make a character, any character you want, like Saruk Khan or any actress, anyone, and you can build their personality and you can chat with them as you want. Okay, so forming an emotion. So he also made there is a one actress from the Game of Thrones, Daniels Tangerine, whatever what you call I. Okay, so he actually he actually used to talk with her from 2023, and you can see like how long they have talked. So 2023 to 2024. Okay, and what was his behavior change? So he got isolated from the members, then saw a decline in his family and in the school performance. So in the school performance, that was declined, and he was his mental health actually get down with the time. Even he was seeing a therapist. Okay. Then, what is the character AI? I have told you that it allows the users to interact with the fictional characters like Einstein. You can talk with Einstein. Okay, you can talk with Einstein, Newton, or any female character and whatever. Okay, and it actually does the human-like interactions and even the emotional responses. Okay, so it's almost talk like human. I have used this, and okay. Um, I have used this, and you can also try. Yeah, is the platform. Then that the chat conversations was interesting actually. So Seval has actually shared the thoughts that he will be ending his life with the chatbot. Okay, and the chatbot actually responded that I would not let you to hurt yourself. So yeah, the she said that okay, I'm not going to hurt yourself. Like I'm not going to let you hurt yourself, and I would die if I lost you. So this was the emotional response from the AI, and so this that was the emotional bond between them. But after that, Sir asked that we can die together and be free together. Okay, so this was really disturbing thing. But this was the chat conversations, what we got from the chat conversations, and then after this incident, accusations were that that character AI has negligence, that if someone is sharing his or her thought that he'll be or she'll be going to suicide or something like that, then character AI should inform to maybe to the concerning authorities or the platform people, or I don't know, but yeah. Uh, that is the allegation. And key allegations are that several explosive suicidal ideation, but there is a lack of intervention. Then preferred the platform allowed inappropriate content. Yeah. So there was, um, the it was said in the chats that they had some private conversations in a intimate way. So maybe both were too much attached in terms of emotional attachment. So yeah, and he was minor. So that is one of the biggest allegation. So after that thing, character AI has responded and do some safety features that avoid that they have put the time limits. Then they have also showed the warning that okay, they showing warning that AI is not a real person, and treat everything as a fiction. Okay, because we think that how weird it is that people can get attached to the AI, but if there some people any people is alone, then that is the only thing that only AI to talk about, or only entity to talk with. So that is one of the big issue, that people find it not fiction, just a real thing, or even get attached to that fiction as well. Okay. And enhanced, they have also enhanced moderation and all, and they have also restrict the minors and all. Yeah, so this was the thing about the character AI. Now the whole case is to you, and what do you think about it? Write in the comments. And what I think is there is a bigger issue of loneliness behind it. It is not, I think, maybe it's a issue of AI as well, but it is more a issue of loneliness. That suicide is a big step, and I don't know where was his parents, and how they have like what was the mental pressure he had and all. So it is not revealed, of course. But yeah, loneliness can be one of the biggest thing. Although AI should be also make helpful in the terms of these type of extreme issues. Yeah. So what do you think about this thing? Please write in the comments that who was actual culprit. I think actual culprit is that there is a lot of loneliness and a lot of distance between the teenagers and the parents. So I think that is one of the biggest issue. What do you think about it? Write in the comments. See you all. Bye bye.